Alright, YouTube. New goodies in. But shit, man. Do a little quick unboxing. I don't know if I'm gonna put a thumbnail up. Tell y'all what it is. Let me see. I'll get this money. Get out. There we go. You see it? Bam, baby. Full ratchet. Yes, sir. Let me see if I can get this bad boy open. I need to give me a damn. Oh, there we go. Hey. Okay. We got the cover. Candles. One of they come with the one to put the button. No, we just got two candles. We got shelf to itself. Yep. Lock out. So we'll get this out of here. That's up. Boom. That's the brackets for the transmission. The screws. I think this is the neutral safety switch. And reverse light sensor switch. Of course, transmission cable, instructions. If y'all know, I don't know if I can get how this thing works. Alright, so this is it right in this setup for 3 and 4 speed transmissions. I'm gonna put this on the 700 R4, but right now it's set up for 3. Take this clip off, take that pin out, make it that 4th gear. Right now it's in park. Take a little pressure, just reverse it with one hand. That's reverse, neutral, drive, then that's all of them. And then assemble to operate, just push it, slap it forward. Let me see. So it should be 1, that's 2, that's 3, then that's neutral. Then stand up, reverse, push all the way up to the top. Boom.